Hello, in front of me I've got Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3. In this video I'll show you how to perform factory reset of your earbuds. Firstly, open the lid of the charging case and take one earbud out of the charging case. Now, keep the lid of the charging case opened and tap and hold on the touch panel on the earbud for 10 seconds. Now, put the earbud back in the charging case, don't close the lid, and after 20 seconds the factory reset will be finished. After the factory reset is done, you will get 3 prompts by the green light here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.